In this screencast, we will go through the process of how to build a question bank and how to monitor it. When creating a question bank, instructors can add multiple questions to it, and one of them will be randomly assigned to learners when they take the bob. The question each learner sees may be different, and the learner might get a different question if they retake the bob. To create a question bank, click the Add Interaction button and select the question bank. Then select the placement for the question bank. It can be on the sidebar or overlay on the video. After the question bank is added to the bob, click Add Question to Question Bank. Instructors can build the question bank with multiple choice questions or checkout questions. Please note that there can be only one question type in the question bank. Also, instructors can use the interaction they previously created to speed up the process. To find the interaction, please select the My Interactions option. Select the desired interactions by clicking on the check mark. Click Preview Interaction and click Add Interaction. Instructors can also use the Filter tool to find a previously built question bank or interaction template created by other instructors. When monitoring the question bank, all the questions in it will show up on the monitor page with a merge grade header. The question assigned to the learner will show the learner response, and those questions that were not assigned to the learner will be marked as NA.